2,000 kilometers, 60 hours, 1 year review coming up. Hello, welcome back to my channel. 2,000 kilometers and 60 hours has passed. In this video we will go through my experience with the Snarler 570. In June 2021 it finally happened. I got my Snarler delivered at home and I was ecstatic. It was the best day of my life since I've been waiting for many months, and no words, and then suddenly the dealer called me up and it's like, hey, do you want your Snarler? I was like, yeah, but then something happened. I was trying to get the Bluetooth to pair with my phone, but no success. A lot of troubleshooting, back and forth, asking the dealer, he didn't know. Yeah, it was a real pain in the ass. But then I found out that it was not delivered with the Bluetooth or the T-box. I could not get that to work. I was seeing the Bluetooth in the display, but nothing happened. So the troubleshooting had to start. As it turned out, that there was no T-box installed, the box that connects Bluetooth to your phone. I was really surprised. As many other people, including me, I thought that fully equipped meant everything. Apparently not. But I have managed to live without Bluetooth connectivity. I don't need it to drive it, so yeah, I can see all the other guys are having real much fun with it. But I don't miss it. Yeah, I kind of do. There's been a lot of problems with it, but still, I really wanted it. The second thing that was wrong when I got it was the LED lights. The signature LED lights did not work. So I contacted the seller, and he was yeah, he didn't know nothing. He was surprised, yeah, all the yada yada. So I really didn't want to break apart a brand new machine, but I just had to, yeah. So it turned out to be the relay. Of course, there was nowhere to be found. They hadn't made it yet, apparently. It was in the middle of the crisis with the corona and yeah. But luckily I got a hold of one through General Motors in the US, and through eBay they shipped me a couple of them in case they will blow again. But that fixed it. But I can tell you that I called the dealer and he was, yeah, I'm going to ship you one, no problem. Yeah, I never heard from him. I have not ridden in deep mud or deep water because I have to make some changes before I do. It's a great machine, I cannot really complain. It's strong, it's reliable, it's yeah, I have not had any great issues with it. So basically I'm really happy about it. As with many other ATVs and quads, I like to put on some spacers, but the wheel bearings are going to break much faster, so I think that I'm not going to do that. I'm also going to try to run down the tires completely before I get some new ones. I also watched some of you guys that owns this have some problems with starting it sometimes. It's a bit slow and it misfires. What I have learned is that the correct start procedure is very important. It's not like turning the key and push the button. You have to wait, and the fuel pump has to build up, and then you can push the button. So I have changed the oil and oil filter, and now I'm working on a new video how to change the oil in the gearbox in front and back, coming soon. So I've seen some rust formations around here and there, but nothing major. It's due to the driving conditions in the winter time, especially here in Norway, when if you're driving on the main road they are salting it like crazy, so it's not recommended to drive this thing. I really hope to get a trailer so I can take this thing to a more suitable place. Yeah, so I really hope to get that someday. So what extras have I put on it? Well, I put on some backing lights because there's no reversing lights, so I really had to do that. And for show I put on these RGB rock lights. I will link a video up here somewhere. They are really cool, but it's just for show. Yeah. In the future I'm going to get a LED bar in front and of course some bigger tires. Yeah, maybe replace the winch cable. So I'm really looking forward to that. So all in all, how happy am I with this snarler? I'm really happy actually. It's giving me a lot of joy. It's been taking me places where I thought it couldn't. I love the 4x4 system with the diff locks and yeah, it's a beast actually. Of course, if you buy the one-seater, it's more playful. You can do wheelies and all that things, but for me, I think this is the best choice, the two-seater. So I look forward to another year with the snarler, and maybe things will come up. There's a lot of videos that I'm planning to do with maintenance and stuff like that, so maybe you want to subscribe. I'm not going to force you. If you want to, you can do it. Maybe give it a like or something. Thank you. Thanks for watching.